Atlantica Ketchuga, California Star, Iberian Wings, Imperial Herald, Lela, Snow Leopard.
Започна да се реализираат и финалните активности од овогодишното издание на Фудбал за пријателство. Овде во Мадрид пристигна и македонската делегација која што ќе учествува во овој проект. Исто така ќе присуствува и на финалето од Лигата на шампионите.
So dear friends, I'm happy to welcome all the participants and all the guests on the Football for Friendship. Now unites more than 6 million people in 211 countries of Europe, Asia, Africa, South and North Americas, Australia and Oceania. And it is great that the Football for Friendship participants of previous seasons continue to support project and continue to promote key Football for Friendship values. I believe this season should become the best Football for Friendship season ever. And I wish, of course we will do it together, guys. And I wish to all of you, young participants and adult participants of our team today, I wish all of you to have a great time together, to find new friends, and of course, success on the beach and in your lives, guys. Congratulations.
Teams for the qualification for the Football for Friendship.